What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Here I've got some wireless earphones by Monster. No idea if this is the drinks company or it's just another company from China that's actually named themselves Monster, but here we have some wireless earphones and it has a really nice charging case design, so I thought why not purchase these and unbox and review them for you to see what they're like. So these are the Monster OpenEar AC530 air conduction wireless headphones, and these are what they look like on the back. So it's open ear design, skin friendly silicone, Bluetooth version 6.0, and it's a directional sound transmission. So just before I get into it, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video, you'll actually be notified. And if you want to see any other videos with these Monster wireless earphones, let me know in the comment sections below. So let's get started. Check this out. The design is really nice. You can actually close it whichever way you want to. It does have the sound saying power on, power off and connecting, but you can actually fold it up like a book and leave it like this. Apparently they've been doing it since 1979, so yeah, I never heard of that before, of Monster. Maybe it's the drinks company, I don't know, but overall the design of the charging case is really nice. That is a USB type C to charge your earphones. Is there a button so you can actually connect it to your phone, unless it just comes up on your settings. So overall, not a bad design. Even when you take the wireless earphones out, they are really nice as well. Look at that. It's like a black chrome on the tips of the end with this black silicone, and they actually go around your ear and onto your ear canal, so you can actually listen to music from there. So what I'm going to do now is give you an audio description of the bass and audio quality. So let's see how easy it is to connect these to my phone. Putting my Bluetooth on, let's see if it actually comes up. So as you can see here, it says Monster OpenEar AC530, and it's as easy as that. We've connected them to my phone. You just got to go into Bluetooth and open up the case and actually set up your earphone from there. So let's put these into my ear. They fit really nicely. It just goes on top of your ear canal as well, which feels like you haven't got no earphones on. And once you actually put them around to your ear, it actually says connected. So let's see what the audio and bass quality is. Right, I've got music playing. It's on a quarter of the volume. Put it up to 50. Still can hear myself. I can't hear the surroundings around it, but I still can hear myself. Let's put it up to 100%. Right. It is loud, don't get me wrong. The audio is really good. Bass is okay. Audio, I'll probably give it about 85%. Bass about 65. If you're speaking normal, you can't actually hear yourself, but when you speak loud, you can. But it is loud as well. Let's push it all the way down, see what features they are. So I'm going to one tap will actually pause on the earbud, and one tap will unpause. Double tap will put up the music as you saw there. Triple tap. So triple tap is skip a track. So if you want to put volume down, it's double tap on the left earbud. So as you can see, double tap on the left earbud, and a triple tap is previous to track. So yeah, they have got all the features you would need when it comes to using your wireless earphones, whether you're using it at the gym or whether you're driving or whatnot. But overall, the bass and audio quality is good. For the price of these wireless earphones, they are very, very good. I do love the design of the charging case, even the earphones as well. Really easy to connect. Audio base is good, but overall, not a bad pair of wireless earphones. If you want to see any other videos with these Monster wireless earphones, let me know in the comment sections below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.